Today, we're going to talk about something many people are passionate about. How to make a small or medium-sized business not just survive, but thrive. Whether you're thinking about starting a business, already have one up and running, or just looking to optimize it, these 6 tips will be essential for you. Get ready because we're going to dive deep into each one of them. 1. Know your numbers like the back of your hand. Let's start with the basics, but not any less important, the numbers. Before launching your brilliant idea or believing you have the perfect product, you need to master your business finances. This is not just about selling, but about thoroughly understanding where your income comes from, where your biggest expenses are concentrated, and how your business performs month to month. An income statement is like an X-ray of your company. It allows you to see what's working and what's not. Are you spending too much in areas that don't generate value? Where do you need to adjust? Without this knowledge, it's like driving a car without looking at the dashboard. So if you still don't know how to do it, look for tools or resources that can teach you. And remember, every financial decision must be supported by clear data. 2. Make your customer overjoyed. It's not enough to satisfy your customers. Your goal should be to make them go crazy with happiness. Think of experiences that are not just good, but memorable. How many of us hate going to the dentist? But imagine arriving at a dental office where the whole team treats you like family. They offer personalized attention, and they even manage to make you feel comfortable. This applies to any business. From a restaurant to a clothing store, the goal should be for every customer to think, "What an incredible experience I had here." A simple trick to start is to learn your customers' names and use them in the interaction. Something as simple as a personalized greeting can make all the difference. 3. Never give up. Starting a business is not easy, and it's almost certain that you will face stumbles and failures. But here's the key. Every fall is an opportunity to learn and improve. No one achieves success without facing obstacles. Now, if you try something repeatedly and it doesn't work, it may be time to rethink your approach or even change your business idea. However, don't confuse the normal bumps in the road with signs of ultimate failure. Learn from each experience and get back up stronger. 4. Define your purpose. Why are you doing this? This is a question you must answer with complete clarity. Some people want a business that allows them to live comfortably and have free time. Others dream of building the biggest company in the world. Whatever your purpose is, it's okay. There is no wrong answer as long as it aligns with you. However, make sure that everyone on your team also understands this purpose. If you hire someone, ask them, "Why do you want to work here?" And make sure their answer aligns with your vision. Having a clear purpose will allow you to make better decisions and stay motivated in the long run. 5. Design a solid strategy. Without a clear strategy, any path will seem valid, but it won't take you where you really want to go. Your strategy should answer key questions like, what makes you different? What added value do you offer? Why should a customer choose you and not your competition? Additionally, it's essential that those who work with you understand this strategy and align with it. Everyone on your team must row in the same direction, understanding what the ultimate goal is and how each action contributes to achieving it. 6. Hard work. There are no shortcuts. Last but not least, we must talk about effort. If you want to have a successful business, you need to be willing to work hard. There are no shortcuts or magic formulas. This means knowing every detail of your operation, from inventory to customer service. My father taught me this from a young age. I remember how he would take me to his fabric store and make me learn every part of the business, from carrying packages to attending the counter. There were things I loved, like making sales, and others I hated, like the cash register, but they were all equally important. You can't fully delegate without first understanding how all the gears of your business work. Knowing each aspect gives you the tools to identify problems and optimize processes. The formula for success: know your numbers, delight your customers, stay resilient, have a clear purpose, design a solid strategy, and work hard. These are the pillars that will make your business thrive. Starting a business is not easy, but with these tips, you'll have a clearer path to success. Now, it's your turn to put them into practice. Remember that every little effort adds up, and although the road may be challenging, the rewards will be worth it. Thank you for joining me in this video. If these tips have inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this content with someone who is also starting a business. See you next Wednesday with more tips and strategies to grow your business. Until next time.